Hey there, Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. I got a pretty special cooker for y'all today. Now, this is going on, man, Bryce Turner down in North Carolina, and he is a serviceman. So, Bryce, we appreciate your service. And he kind of dreamed this cooker up, and it got a little out of hand on him. Started off as a normal size roll-off on a trailer, and then got a lot bigger. Which, hey, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Let's check her out. Now, as you can see, it is on our single axle trailer package. Got the custom paint, white wall tires, paint match wheels, baby moon hubcaps. Really came out slick. Now this is a 2,000 pound trailer, independent torsion axle, so makes for a smooth ride, pulls down the road great. Let's check the cooker out here. Now this is a roll-off XL 60 by 36 with a hog flipper in it. So let's open her up here. We do have it fired up. Oh, look at that. We got some briskets on a direct heat cooker. We'll see how that turns out. Check out that YouTube video later. But obviously you got your two doors down here open. We did build them some extra grates to sit in here. Do chicken ribs on those. Throw your water pan on if you're doing briskets. We'll probably do that later on. And then, like I said, use this. You can flip the whole grate. I would show y'all, but I dumped some briskets and we wouldn't be happy about that.
Don't you dare.
Not dumping the briskets. Then on the other side here, we have a stainless steel worktop we added for them. So unlatch it, it folds up. Obviously, you do have quite a bit of storage on this trailer, which is always nice. You got a folding jack on the front with a wheel on it. This thing is light enough you can kind of wheel it around in your garage. Guys, that is Bryce's one-off custom build here. That's right, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.